Good morning to our school heads, Sir Tika. Good morning, sir. Our master teachers, there are 3 of them. From Hope, from Glory, and Sir June. And also my colleagues in Pablo Luis National High School from different department and different curriculum level. So this morning, my task is to explain not only to my student but even for those who watch and view this video. They should learn because this is the DIY. DIY. So do it yourself about the fire alarm system. So guys, shout out ko sa tanan, especially sa ako mga estudyante, grade 12, dalawang section po, humility and honesty, and to the advisors of the section. Grade 11, relax lang po kayo because this is not your topic. But if you want to advance information about this subject matter, you are free to view my video or watch in my YouTube channel. Okay, so relax. Now, what is fire alarm system? Fire alarm or fire alarm system. So meaning it is a system in which this system can detect if there is or there will be a fire that will happen in our houses or even in the building. Before it happened, since there wasn't smoke to produce during the fire, so this system can detect the fire and it gave alarms from the electric bill, so that it gave alarm to the people or the tenant in that building. So it is a fire alarm system. Now there are only 4 parts of the alarm system. So four parts on the first is the fire alarm system. Fire alarm system in which we cannot touch this system because it is belt and it has the electronic parts. So what we need is only to see the terminal lock or terminal lock in which we can connect the other parts of this system. We have electric bill, electric bills, guys, it gives sound. So it gives sound when there is smoke or fire alarm detected or smoke detected from our smoke detector. Other one is the smoke detector. So a smoke detector, it is a sensor. It is a sensor. It will pass to the system, and the system will and after getting the system, it gives signal to our electric bill so that the electric bill can give noise for us to alarm. And then the another part, guys, is the MPS or the manual post button switch. So the function of this one is to check after our connection if it is okay. because it gave a sign to our system, the fire alarm system. And there are some auxiliary parts. Number 5, I have auxiliary parts, the resistor and the diode. So resistor is a computer, no, it is an electronic part that has no polarity. But the diode, guys, has polarity, meaning positive should be connected in the positive and the negative should be connected in the negative. Cannot be interchanged, otherwise it will not function our system. So this is the main concern of me to explain to you what is this all about the fire alarm system. So I will show you the materials and all things that we needed in our tutorial about fire alarm system. Okay, so just a couple of seconds. Sorry to say, guys, special mention sa ato ang two head teachers, Sir Lando Hiltora and Ma'am Nani. Kudos po sa inyo dalawa at lahat na. Hindi na akong kalimutan sa Ma'am Nani at saka Sir Lando. So, God bless po sa ating lahat. It's time to show you the part of the fire alarm system from all the parts that we needed to connect this fire alarm system. First is the diagram. Diagram, guys, is very important because without this we cannot perform. Otherwise, if you familiar the sign or the parts of the system, it should diagram not be needed. But when it is a beginner like us, so we have to see to it that always we do based on the diagram. Okay, the level and all. And then this is the system. This is the system. Two zone system. This one. Okay. As I mentioned a while ago that this system, we cannot touch this one. We cannot touch. We can touch, but we cannot do something inside of it because it is done packaged electronically. What we need is to focus only in this area. What we need is this terminals. So because this is the output from the inside system. Okay, take note that we only have to manipulate this area. Okay, this is the system. This is the heart of the fire alarm system. And then this is the MPS, or meaning the manual push button switch. The purpose of this one is to check after doing connection, is to check our connection if it is functional or not functional. Okay, this is the push button or MPS, or the manual push button switch. Okay, this is the smoke detector. Smoke detector is vary from different type and different manufacturer. Depende lang, but the function is the same. To detect or to detect the smoke in which the area hapit na siya na or starting before it burn. Kaya naman siya ay smoke na mo gawa. So this detector should give signal to the system, and the system will pass the signal through the electric bell, and then the electric bell make it magkaroon po siya ng sound. So for us to let us evacuate in the safe area. So this is the smoke detector. And the other one is, this is the electric bill. So electric bill, as I've said, it is the part of the system that it make noise when the smoke detector send the system that there's something wrong in the area. So this electric bill, guys, can give us the precaution to evacuate the area before it damages our life, our property, or in general, the whole aspect in our lives, in the family, in our things inside the building or in the house. So bahala nagmasunog, guys, as long as we are still alive, so we can put up another things to continue our life. Okay, guys? So this one, we have to start the DIY tutorial about the fire alarm system. Very easy lang, guys, ha? So this is all parts of the fire alarm system. Again, the auxiliary parts is this one. The resistor and the diode. Now this is the diode. This resistor has no polarity. Magkabaliktad, okay lang. But the diode, guys, has polarity. Need to connect positive to positive and the negative to negative. Okay, another auxiliary parts or material is the wire. So paano man kung walay wire, so hindi na ito makonect. So I use the speaker wire because this wire is color coding. So mag-color coding ta because para hindi tayo malito kung nasaan na yung positive at yung negative. So of course, our tools. Konti lang yung tools natin kailangan, guys. Okay, shall I start the DIY para makasubaybay kayo sa lesson na to? But of course, guys, our tester. Tester is very important also in our work so that we can identify the positive and the negative parts of the diode. Okay, shall we start? Okay, first thing to do is we have to open this smoke detector. And see, may level po siya. May label po siya. Yun. May L2, L1 at saka LC. Meaning line 1 o line 2 tapos LC is the common. Ito yung pinaka-sensor niya, guys. Yan. Ito yung magbigay ng message. Relay message. Natanggap niya galing doon sa environment na naka-fix po siya. Okay, this one is another type of smoke detector but different function or the same function. Different manufacturer, different style but the same function. It gives alarm or it gives sensor to the system. Okay, so this is our wire. Now we have to open the system. Okay. Okay, I will use the zone 1. This is zone 2 but I will use the zone 1 only. Kasi kulang tayo ng mga aparatos. So take note, guys, this is the resistor 500 ohms. Why we put this resistor? So that it will maintain or it gives some protection in our system. Make sure, guys, that positive is we connect this one in the red color is we have to fix this one in the positive side. And this one is to the negative side. The black color is negative side. Otherwise, if you don't have a color speaker wire, so we can use our own material na nasa atong palibot, but we have to put mark. Either we put some mark, electrical tape, or whatever mark that gives you the guide kung asa padugikan ang wire. Ano siya, initiative lang niya guys ha. Okay, so this is the zone 1, and the zone 1 should going to, so by the way, this is the diagram. Okay, so zone 1 connect to the electric bill. Going to the smoke detector line 1. Positive going to line 1 and line 2. And then the negative going to LC. This one. L common or line common. The positive should connect in the L1. And then the L2 in this detector should connected in the L1. So we have to do this one by one. Okay, since we used two detector, so we have to have another. I have to close this one, guys. Okay. We have to another wire to supply to the other detector. It says that the positive, which is the red one, should connected to the line 1. So the line 1 here is this one. This is the line 1. So we have to connect this one. And then the line 2, this is the line 2, should be connected in the line 1 and the other smoke detector. So first, the positive one is we have to connect this one in the line 1. In the line 1. And then line 2, another positive, so we have to use another wire. This is the other wire. So you have to put this one here, and it is connected in the L2. This one is the L2. Very simple guys and very easy. Follow lang. Okay, the negative or the L common should be connected in the LC. So since dalawa ng wire, so this area sa LC is we have to couple these two wires. So two wires sit as our common. So it should be connected in the LC. LC means L line common. Okay guys, we are done in this detector or smoke detector. So we have to follow through the other detector, the other one. Meaning zone 2 or zone 1, guys, dalawang places po yung bigyan niya ng protection sensor. Halimbawa sa kusina, kaya sa kwarto nyo. So from line 2, from L2 dito, punta siya ng L1 dito banda. Okay, this is the L1. Can see it? This is the L1. So we have to put the positive. And then po yung L2, this L2 going directly to our here in the MPS. So from the second smoke detector, the positive should be connected positive in the MPS. So we have to use this one. So again, pula, positive. And then yung dalawang negative, guys, we have to connect this one in the common one, uncommon to, but the same. So we have to couple na lang this one. So guys, hindi natin napasok. Tanggalin muna natin to kasi hindi ma-insert yung sensor part. Dito natin sa ilalim. So, common siya. So, we are done in the two detector, smoke detector. This is the time. This wire should be connected in our MPS. So, ito yung MPS niya sa likod. So, positive and negative. So, ito, since it is positive yung pula, so we have to connect this one in the positive side. And then yung itim should be connected in the negative side. Okay, so daan na po tayo guys sa dalawang detector at ang MPS. Tapos, i-lock natin to ha. May guide kasi siya guys. So, hindi siya pwedeng mabaliktad. Saan ba to? Yan. So, na-insert na natin. Kaya yung isa naman. Okay, na-fix na siya. So this time guys, i-connect na natin tong ano natin. So we have to connect the positive and the negative sa ating electric bill. Pula is positive, tapos ito. So another pa guys, we have to connect this one, our resistor. Where is our resistor? Okay, so this is the 10,000 ohms. Ito po, 10,000, dalawang 5,000 kilo ohms series natin. So magiging ano na siya, magiging 10,000 ohms. So nakaparallel po siya. So we have to connect this one in this area. And then the other one. Okay, so we have to open this one again para makita natin kung saan natin to i-connect. And it should be connected in the sound or in the sounder. So ito yung sounder natin. So ito yung sound. May label naman siya guys. Saka may positive at saka negative. So ang pula is for positive. Tapos yung itim para sa negative. So, sarado natin ulit. Okay, here we are guys. Para makita natin yung function ng tester natin. Ito yung tester natin. At saka ito po yung diode. Ang positive side guys should be connected in the bill. Hindi galing sa system. So, hanapin natin kung saan yung positive. So, ito yung positive. Kasi pag ibaniligtad natin to, dito ang, so hindi siya mag-function. Ito yung pula, positive. So ibaliktad natin yung diode. Ito yung pula, positive. So meaning nag-deflect siya. Meaning this is the positive. Ang positive side guys should be connected in the, from the bill. So ito po yung bill. So this is the positive, pula. So dito natin to i-connect. Tapos since this is positive, so connect natin dito yung positive. And this is the positive, negative side. Okay, so we are now ready to connect or to energize our system. Okay, this is our supply. So we have to connect na lang this one in our extension. So nagtunog na siya guys. Sa gisulti na ko kanina, o yung tututot guys, huwag lang kayong mag-alala because wala kasing battery. Kaya nga magtutot-tutot siya. Walay battery. So this is the post button. Pag okay yung gawa natin, ipopost natin tong post button na to, mag-ilaw lahat dito. At saka mag-ilaw din dito, banda. Ayan. Naka-zone, naka-fault siya. Meaning, okay yung gawa natin. So it is time for us to energize this by pausukan natin yung detector natin. Okay guys, isang detector lang pausukan natin guys ha. Yan. So, nagtunog siya, meaning okay yung gawa natin. So, ano guys? Yun ang function ng pa-alarm system. Okay guys, thank you for watching my tutorial about fire alarm system. I hope. Okay guys, Madali lang, di ba? So just follow the rules. Always based on the rule number 1. Rule number 1 is follow the diagram. Always based on your connection on the diagram given. What is positive for positive and negative for the negative. So God bless, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now and have some good day to all of us. Thank you. God bless.